Now we will learn about CQI, or Continuous Quality Improvement. Federal regulations require all states to have a quality assurance system to assess and improve child welfare practice and outcomes as part of their Child and Family Services Plan. The Children's Bureau carries out the Child and Family Service Review. The CFSR monitors our quality assurance system. CQI is a circular problem-solving approach. The CQI process begins with many sources of data, for example, case record reviews. And this data is analyzed to create information and knowledge used to make improvements to Wisconsin's child welfare system. DCF has developed an online module to give an overview of the history of the CQI process and how and why it is changing. It also takes a look at the key aspects of Wisconsin's CQI child welfare process. There is a handout in your materials with more information about the role of the CQI Advisory Committee and what has been put into place using the Plan, Do, Study, Act model. This handout is labeled CQI PDSA Visual. You can read more about this model in the handout, and you may hear more about it in the future. In this macro data section, you have learned about the Children and Family Services Review, the Program Improvement Plan, and the Continuous Quality Improvement Process, along with how they are each connected to one another and to your day-to-day work. The key takeaways from this section include the Children and Family Services Review is an umbrella for the work we do in child welfare and considers outcomes of services provided and systemic factors that affect those outcomes. The review process identifies the state agency's strengths as well as areas needed improvement, and then uses a Program Improvement Plan, or a PIP, to help states make needed improvements and build on identified strengths. CQI is a circular problem-solving approach. The CQI process begins with many sources of data, which is analyzed to create information and knowledge used to make improvements to Wisconsin's child welfare system. Our intention is to provide a solid understanding of the connection between macro and micro data sources. You will soon learn more about micro data sources as we explore child welfare dashboards and EWSACWIS reports. If you have questions about this section or any of the materials, please reach out to your trainers.